Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have a BMW guys, pretty much any BMW, and you need to adjust your camber or toe on the rear tires guys, I'm talking about positive, negative camber or toe in, toe out, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. Okay, check out what we have here. Okay, this tire is terrible. This is guys because we have toe out on our car. What that means that the tire on the front end it's too open on the rear axle, and that will cause wear on the inside. Toe in will be when it's closed on the front end, and it will cause wear on the outside. Now negative camber, too much negative camber, which means that the tire will be like that, can cause some wear on the inside as well, but it will not be so dramatic. Okay, it will be more spread towards the center line. Positive camber, usually you never see that on BMW so often. It will cause wear on the outside, but you almost never see that guys. Most of the times BMWs, especially on the rear end, you have negative camber, so your tire is a little bit slanted. Now what we'll need to do, okay, we're going to actually go ahead and remove the wheel now. Okay, and we'll show you how to get to the adjustment procedure. We're demonstrating on 3 series, but you can guys pretty much find that video helpful for many BMWs. Will be that way. This is a tool that you can use, okay, to set your camber. Okay, you can just put it here, and you can adjust your camber guys. Okay, ours when the car wasn't lifted was at 2%. Okay, when the car wasn't lifted was at 2%, 2 degrees, excuse me, like that. You measure, okay, the camber when the car is not jacked up. You measure and later you adjust it to reach the same measurement here, so when you adjust it you can guys actually get the idea of what is happening. So we're going to go ahead, remove the wheel now, okay, and we'll show you what we'll be doing. So getting the bolts loose, I always recommend to grab the tire and try to move to see if you have any wore out suspension, bushings, parts, anything. Ours is pretty sturdy guys, there is nothing wore out on this side. So we're just removing the lug bolts quick. And on this side now the tire will be wore out, but not as dramatic as on the other side. The other side the toe was too much out, but you can see that this one has some significant wear. Okay, let me focus this way. Significant wear on the inside as well. So that's what we'll be doing now guys. We're going to set our toe and we'll explain how to set your camber as well. Now if you come underneath, okay, let me just get the camera in here. Okay, this is your suspension here guys, control arms, all that. Okay, this is the bottom control arm here. This bolt, okay, it's a nut on this side, you get it loose, and then the bolt is on the back side. Okay, you reach it through here. By spinning that bolt you're going to adjust, okay, the camber guys, because it's going to push that okay, that control arm and the whole wheel out. Okay, this will be negative camber, in will be positive camber. The top one is the one for the toe guys, the one for your tire, how it will be facing, like the front will be enclosed or open. So what we'll do, we'll mark ours, okay, before we start, so we know guys, okay, we know how much we move them, and later if we need to adjust anything. Okay, those are marked. Now we are going to get them loose and we'll show you guys how that affects, okay, and how it adjusts the toe and all that stuff. Interphone spray guys, this is amazing. We have all the tools and parts we use in the description of the video below. Check it out, we have all the links guys. Spray the bolts, okay, because sometimes those could be really rusty as well. Okay, perfect. And once you guys do that, okay, you just get 18mm socket. You're going to get a big breaker bar, and we're going to get that thing loose now. Okay. You can see it's getting loose. Perfect. Now I want to show you, okay, when one person turns the bolt on the back side, okay, let me just show you. Okay, we'll be turning the bolt on the back side now. Okay, through right there. You're going to see the toe, guys, being adjusted. When we push that end out, that will be toe in. When we push it in, it will be toe out. Check it out now. Okay, let's turn it now. Okay, you can see how much that thing moves. Okay, let's go again. Quite a bit of movement, guys. Okay, this is your adjustment right there, and you can see how it moves. So you guys need to know for sure how much you need to do. If you need alignment tools and all that stuff, you can check out in the description of the video below, guys, what tools we use with 2 plates. It's super easy to use, but I would definitely recommend to get a professional alignment, because alignment could be very dangerous if you don't get it right, because your car will not be very stable. So that's how you do, guys, the toe. The camber is the same way. Okay, the camber, you just get that nut loose there, and turning the bolt on the back side is going to bring the bottom end of the suspension out or in, and that will adjust your tire camber as well. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you guys having problems with that on BMW. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.